Something happened to Barney, Jacob. I think he grew up. Look, look, look. This is, get right here. Come here, come here, come here. What does that say?
It's a 5-0, man.
Sad thing is, it's not Barney. This is actually our friend Remy's Mustang. And well, it's just a little sick, not much. So, real quick, guys, this is Remy. He's going to tell you what's going on with this Mustang.
What up, guys? This is my 2012 Mustang GT manual, and has a little check engine light. It's a O2 sensor, went bad. We're here to change it.
Yes, sir.
Time to glove up, boys. But it's the P0430. We were talking about this the other day. P0420, 430 codes. They're actually a catalyst low efficiency code. It doesn't necessarily mean you need a new catalytic converter. Purchased a new code reader, watched the live data. Well, bank 2 sensor 2, it's all out of whack. Let's get it changed out and see what happens. So, once again, Jacob.
I gave you my heart.
Alright guys, so we had to replace bank 2 sensor 2. The best way to always remember this, bank 1 is always associated with cylinder 1. This car, cylinder 1 is on the passenger side. So bank 2 is going to be driver's side. Sensor 1 is before the catalytic converter. Sensor 2 is after this catalytic converter. We got it loose. Got that one out. All we had to use was a little crow's foot and a ratchet. Let's get the new one ready to put back in. Alright guys, old sensor. You see it's burned up pretty good. This sensor in live data was only reading like 700 degrees when it should be over 1,000. We got the new sensor, original equipment, NTK. So, before we put it in, there's one step so many people forget. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. Keeps it from rusting up into the O2 sensor bone and costing yourself a new on this X-pipe or H-pipe. Alright, so NTK is nice enough to put anti-seize on it from the factory. But as you can tell, new one, old one. It's kind of hard. I guarantee you the camera's not doing it justice, but yeah, getting down the side there, it's pretty burnt. And also, that carbon buildup from that ethanol fuel. Nice, you know, burnt corn right there for you. Let's slide back up underneath here and get this done. Here's the codes. We got some other one. Field trim, too lean. We're gonna get rid of all these codes real quick. Permanent code. And this reader may not allow us to delete that one. It may have to be just driven for a while.
Yep. Exactly what I was about to say.
Yeah. Alright. Let's get into some live data here. this time.
Yeah, it's not really high.
Yeah.
I may have to replace bank 1 sensor too soon.
Yeah. Alright guys, this is going to finish up another video. Got both the Mustangs out here, Barney and Remy's 5.0. Makes me a little jealous. But, guys, go hit us up on the Instagram. It's going to be down below. Also, check us out on Facebook. We do have a Facebook page now. It's under Aftermath Garage YouTube channel. I think we're going to go have some fun. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe, share, get your notification over here, that little bell. That's what that's for. Every time we post, it lets you know we posted a video. And always remember, dream big.